What if I told you, the best outdoor griddle of 2025 isn't made by Blackstone? In fact, this underdog model has a built-in grease trap, sears steak like a pro, and costs less than you think. We tested 2025 griddles. These 5 dominate in heat, durability, and value. Oh, and all purchase links? Check the description below. Let's get cooking. Number 1. Cuisinart CGG00282 Burner Flat Top Gas Griddle. An ample rolled steel cooking surface, 2 heat zone design, and foldable legs for surprising portability make this Cuisinart our best overall pick. Assembling the Cuisinart was fairly easy given its size. We had it assembled in about 30 minutes. The seasoning process, crucial to most rolled steel models, added about 45 minutes before the grill was up and running. The electric ignition is a nice plus, making the grill much easier to light than those that use cheaper piezo ignition. The Cuisinart's cooking surface reached temps upwards of 600 degrees Fahrenheit, ideal for our test food of steak and chicken fajitas with peppers and onions. The high top temp made it easy to sear a nice char on our skirt steak. We also liked having 2 cooking zones, which provided a hot side for cooking meat and veggies and a cool side to push food to as it finished. Number 2. Country Smokers The Highland Portable Griddle. For those willing to compromise a few bells and whistles, this griddle from Country Smokers offers ample cooking space at a budget price that's just a fraction of other similar-sized griddles. Its 597 square inches of cooking space gather heat from 4 11,000 BTU burners, so its size is ideal for handling larger backyard barbecues of up to 10 people. The top consists of heavy-gauge stainless steel that resists rust and corrosion, while a collapsible design allows outdoor chefs to take this griddle on the road for tailgating or camping. Its low price comes with a few concessions. It does not have side tables or shelves for prep and storage. It also lacks a holder for the propane tank, which makes it a little more challenging to move from place to place. Number 3. Blackstone 1825 36-inch Cooking Station with Side Shelf. With 720 square inches of cooking space, this gas griddle from Blackstone is worthy of a large backyard barbecue or even a professional outdoor kitchen. 4 powerful 15,000 BTU gas burners heat that broad swath of cooking surface, and a rear grease drain capably handles drippings from all those burgers or steaks. A rolled steel cooktop provides a sturdy surface, while the unit's powder-coated black steel frame can withstand the elements. Large casters keep the hefty griddle easy to roll around. Since there needs to be a place for all that food to go when it's done cooking, this griddle comes equipped with 2 large side tables and a tray under the griddle. A strip of utensil hooks and a paper towel holder are also useful additional features. Number 4. Cuisinart CGG00364 Burner Gas Griddle. The Cuisinart 4-burner gas griddle has powerful burners, a durable cooktop, and a design that makes it easy to maneuver. In addition to a large rolled steel cooking surface that boasts 760 square inches of cooking space powered by 4 15,000 BTU gas burners, this griddle offers ample space for meal prep and tool storage. It has 2 large side tables and an under-griddle shelf. The Cuisinart griddle also features a leg design that sets it apart from other griddles. Its curved legs feature wheels that allow users to maneuver it as a standalone grill or fold them in to convert to a tabletop model. Number 5. Cuisinart CGG501 Gourmet Gas Griddle. With its 2 powerful 10,000 BTU stainless steel burners, this tabletop outdoor griddle is small but mighty. It boasts 285 square inches of cold rolled steel cooking surface. The burners are controlled by 2 knobs and light with a twist to start ignition. A large rim around the cooktop keeps grease in the pan, while a drainage hole in the lower corner leads to a removable grease catch. The griddle measures 19.5 inches wide by 20 inches deep and weighs 30 pounds. Although it is hefty, it's compact enough to take on the road. A built-in hose connects to a 20-pound propane tank, and the griddle lifts and carries easily, supported by large handles on the sides. So, which griddle are you grabbing for 2025? Let me know in the comments. If this saved you time, smash that like button, share with your barbecue crew, and subscribe for more sizzling reviews. All the best deals? You know where, description below. See you on the next cookout.